Day 26 of our 30-day yoga challenge together. And today we have a really lovely forward fold. Just really easy, lots of space for breath. After all of those, open heart, lots of back bend, folding the heart up. So simply bring your legs out long. Now this is instantly perhaps a pose that fires up the back of the legs, especially if you've got tight hamstrings. Sitting like this is absolute agony. If that's the case for you, bend your knees slightly and flex the feet and just send the toes towards the ceiling. If that is feeling like a lot, if you have a brick or a cushion or a blanket, simply sit on that space just to elevate yourself off your mat a little more. So you've got more space underneath the legs. Wherever you are, find yourself on your sit bones. So rather than this rounding in the back, can you really come onto that bony part of the bum? Pelvis is stacked. Scoop anything out of the way that needs scooping so you can really be on that bony bit. Feet are flexed. On an inhale, start to send your fingertips all the way up towards the ceiling. So the heart is reaching and the spine is really long. The navel is drawing into the spine to support the lower back and really lift the heart, lift the fingertips. We're going to take a big inhale here. Can you lift the heart a little more? On your exhale, just start to reach the heart, the chest forward, reaching the hands forward. Come halfway down. You might start to feel that lovely juicy pull in the back of the legs. So take another big inhale. As you exhale, full permission to start to round through the spine. Letting the hands rest wherever they need to, wherever they naturally go. Maybe it's on the thighs, maybe the shins, maybe you find the feet. Wherever you go, just take a big inhale and lift the heart, roll the shoulders. And as you exhale, just melting into this a little bit more, letting the head hang heavy, nice and passive. And can you keep inviting space every time you inhale to slightly lift the heart, and every time you exhale to just fold into this a little deeper. And we're all different. So however tight your hamstrings or the back of your legs are, breathe into what you have. Every day is different as well. So just be really present to what space you have in the body and what space you can create through the breath. If this is something that is quite accessible for you, and you're quite happy with hands to the feet, there is an option to take a brick or take another cushion or whatever you need over the feet and just bring a little bit more depth to the pose. And again, rolling the shoulders, lifting the heart, inhaling and exhaling, folding in a little more. And we'll take 3 breaths here wherever we are. Inhale, exhale 1, inhale, exhale 2, just let go here, and 1 more, inhale, exhale 3. And on your inhale, gently starting to peel the heart all the way back up, finding this rolling through, shoulders lifting towards the ears, and exhale, roll them down the spine. Let's do that one more time with the shoulders. Inhale, take it all the way up, and exhale, roll them down. And that is your forward fold today, day 26. I'll see you back on the mat tomorrow.